Hello and welcome to the May 17th stream of Skin Deep Development. I am Brendan Chun and I'm eating a banana. And we're also working on this thing in Skin Deep, which is a device you put on the wall. Let's check that out again. So the gag is this device will mark the locations of bad guys around you, or of any creature that has a heartbeat around you. And it kind of spins around. Right now the logic isn't there yet, but we have a nice little animation now. Glace Gwyneth comments, it loops now. Yeah, so on yesterday's stream, we had trouble getting the thing. It only played animation once, so the little spinning animation. But I added a little function in the code last night to make it loop over and over and over again. So that's cool. Yeah, it looks okay. I think I want to add a few things. I'm going to change it so that the satellite dish has more glowy bits. Oh, give me 1 second. My tea is getting ready. Okay. Yeah, so we want to add more glowy bits to the satellite dish. And I was thinking it would look really good if we added a little particle effect that kind of like did a little ping effect off the satellite dish also. So let's see what we can do there. Let me throw away this banana peel. I'll be right back. All right, so let's go to Photoshop. Open up, oh wait, not Photoshop, I wanna, I'm making a bone right now. Check out my low poly bone. Sonar. The bone is for when you gib somebody. I want just a bone to fly out of their body. Thought that'd be pretty funny. All right, so UV. So I was thinking of making this edge into a glowy bit here. Export the mesh. Yep. Let's check it out. Yeah, I like that a lot more. A lot more easy to see now. And the I don't know, the contrast works really nicely. Okay, so I like that. That's good. I'm a little bit unsure about the particle effect, so let me check in what I got right now and make sure that if anything explodes, it won't be a big deal because I'll have everything checked in. Thank you. In Tactical Banana in the chat asks, do you do the animations? I do, yeah. I do it in the program here called Blender. Tactical Banana asks, how did it update the color in-game automatically? So the way it works is that the Doom 3 engine has this little developer console. You press the tilde and it opens and closes it. And something you can do is kind of write yourself little macros. So you can make, let's say, bind H. And I bound H to do this command that says give hell time 1/10,000. I could do bind J. J's not bound, so I'll say bind J, say hello. So now whenever I press J, it'll say hello in the text chat. And so what I did was I bound enter to reload a bunch of assets. So basically what this lets me do is I can edit the model, save it, and then in here, in the game, when I press enter, it'll call all of these commands: reload images, surfaces, models, animations, and so on. And it just shows up automatically in here. So it makes iteration and testing things really fast and really nice. For folks making their own games, I suggest finding ways to make their engine do similar things. I think it's a pretty common thing. I think Unity, I haven't used Unity much, but it seems Unity is kind of built around the idea of rapid iteration. What was I doing? Yeah, particle effects. Let's do that. So we want, I was thinking it would be nice to have a little particle effect kind of like radiating out of the radar dish. Trying to think of the best way to do this. All right, let's just start digging into the code and see what we can find. Oh, I just realized that if we do want to do this, we don't really have a bone that is like right at the center of the dish. But we do have this bone. We'll just use this bone then. So the particle effect will come out of the little prong, the little tip of the prong, which might look even better. I don't know. Let's try it out. Okay, so let's dig in the code and find how to do this. I think I did this in a previous part, but I don't quite remember where. Okay. Need to spawn a particle effect. Oh, maybe it was here. Emitter. Yeah, I think this might work. So we're gonna close all of this and then go back here. PC sonar and you. Okay, so we're going to create this object called the emitter, and the emitter is what will shoot out particles. Okay, funky emitter, so we want you. Throw you in here. What do you want to call this? We'll just call it particle emitter. And then in here, okay. In here we go to, when we spawn it, we want to spawn particle effect. Okay, so I think we just copy this entire thing. And yeah. Yeah, for now we'll just do a flame jet. That's fine. Origin, set axis, set. Okay. Particle emitter, set origin. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick test to see if the particle even shows up in the game. Let's see what happens. That's really cool. I like that. Eric's Comics asks, can you place sonarticles inside each other right now? The placement marker ring seems to think so. Yes, you can. Yeah, so we're going to need to fix the logic for that. I think right now it doesn't really... Oh, I know why. Actually, I think I can fix this right now. Let's see. Where was it at? Player. So I just added code yesterday that lets you stick dynamite onto bad guys. But I think I let it be a little bit too I let you attach to anything that has a bone in it, which I think might have been too permissive. So instead, I'm only going to let you attach to AI features. Right, so you can stick dynamite to things. That's pretty cute. Anyways, let's go back over here. Let's get away from the blast radius. So, oh, no, it still lets me do it. Alright. No, you spotted a good bug. I'm gonna add this to my list of things to check out. Uh-oh. I'm gonna kind of wiggle around. It's like I'm doing the worm. Oh, it's kind of cool that when you're on the ground, you can kind of see the shells in really high detail. Huh, it's kind of neat. All right. So let's add that to the list. Okay. Right, so we got particle effects going. That's great. Now, what we want to do is we want to bind the particle effect to the radar dish. Okay, so when you enter the idle animation, then we want to bind particle emitter into joint. Bind to the animated entity. Point handle. True. Okay. Radar joint. Push to you. Okay, so now we gotta do some stuff to. First, we gotta move the particle effect to the radar dish's location. Oof. I lost my sneeze. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if I remember the calls to do this. Animated ent get joint. Get. I don't remember the name of it. Get. Okay, there it is. Get animator. Get joint handle. And you're called prong. So we got that. And then we want to get the location of this thing. Copy you. So over here, we want to get the radar position. Get the radar. Okay, so now we're going to, now that we have the joint, the handle for the joint, we want to get the location, the physical XYZ of this joint. So we go to, let's see, animated ent get joint world transform. Okay, radar joint. Position, radar position, radar mat, Then we want to move the particle emitter. Set origin to the radar position. Then bind it. Okay, so hopefully something will happen. Let's see. That did not work. I don't know what's happening though, because it is moving. It looks like it's getting snapped to that location, but then it's not moving. Particle emitter, bind to joint. Animated ent. Radar joint, and it's true. Maybe particle emitter's not the right. Maybe funky emitter's not the right thing to use. Let's take a peek at how the weapon handles its smoke code. So I think the smoke kind of follows the gun around. Okay, let's try turning on the physics for this thing. See if it behaves better. Nope. Let's try checking out to see if it's even being called correctly. Okay, made it in. Looks good, I think. Radar joint, I don't know. I don't know why this is not working, but we can, instead of getting stuck on this even longer, let's just move on to try something else. To do. Fix this. All right, that's fine. Not a big deal. Let's get rid of these two files. Okay. Attempt at adding particle effects to sonar. All right. Yeah, so instead of doing that, let's try to do some logic for the sonar, and let's try to make it draw the locations of creatures. So one thing I was thinking was that it would kind of mark the joints of living things. So it would get like the hand joint and draw a little circle there. It would locate the location of their feet and draw little circles there also. Same thing for the head and maybe the torso. And I think it'll kind of look kind of nice to see the whole like dot creatures kind of moving through the walls, and just the way that it moves, you kind of figure out that it's a person or a cat or whatever. So we're gonna see if we can do that. Okay, so we need a new variable for okay, yeah, let's try this. So we have a variable for sonar ping time, and what we're going to do is the sonar is going to ping out, going to update its information every now and then. And I want to update every 2 seconds. Okay, so every time it updates, we want to grab a list of everything that's within a set radius. What was the name of it? Get entities in radius? No. Something like that, though. I think I'm calling it in here. Where was it? Okay, entities within radius. Okay. Okay. Get game local entities within radius. Source position. We don't want that. We want get physics. Get origin. Okay. We need a constant for what range does this tool have? Let's see. If I put it on this wall, I want to include that person. Let's say 1024. That'll be fine. Constant engine, sonar radius 1024. Personality list. Eric's comic says, isn't it a heartbeat sensor? The hands, feet, etc. don't need to make perfect sense, but maybe a specific marker for the heart, too. That's a good idea. Yeah, maybe we can make the heart bone bigger or pulsate or something like that. Yeah, that's a good call. Okay. So all right, let's try this out. Let's see if this works. Throw it in there. Okay. All right. I think I kind of can see how we can do this. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so every 2 seconds we're going to update the list. Otherwise, every frame we are going to go through the list and update the creature's position. Okay, I think I got this. Integer I for I equals 0, I equals da. Include AI/AI.h. Okay, so maybe this we now have a reference to a person within a radius of this sonar thing. Hit actor. Let's try that. Okay, so now that we have that, now let's just draw a big circle under the thing. Game in the world, debug sphere. Color blue. Sphere. Origin, radius is going to be 16. All right, let's try that out. Hey, so far so good. Let's make this thing mad at us. Hey. Okay. Looks like it's working. So that's cool. I like it when things work. So what I was thinking is that we could use the same color as the sonar thing. I like it when things are color coded. So let's try to grab this color. Let's see, 0.42, 0.73, 0.816. Sphere. Let's try that out. Yeah, it's a nice color. Over here. Okay. Feels pretty good. Okay, let's check this in. All right. What are the change notes? Sonar first pass logic. All right. Okay, so I like that. Let's try to get more. Let's try to see if we can get the location of its different joints and draw things there. I think that might be the best way to do this is to make a new function. Let's just draw marker at joint. Joint handle, joint, then okay. So we make this new function. Here, wait, no, I did this wrong. I don't want to do joint handle. We want to do a string. Okay. So draw it at, what was the name of the, don't remember the name of the joints. Let's go open up the thing. L hand and R hand. And R hand. Okay, so now we can kind of copy some of this code. There it is. Joint handle, T, joint equals, and get animator, joint handle, joint name. Then we get the position of it. Transform, joint, chemical time. Joint position, net 3, joint. actor. Okay. All right, so now could draw a little circle. Right there. Position. All right. So hopefully we'll see two little circles at the bad guy's hands. Sweet. Looks like it worked. Okay. Right now the circle does not face the player's camera, but that's what we want it to do. Let me see if I'm using this in quadrilateral cowboy. And I can just salvage my own code. Am I calling debug circle anywhere? I am, but I'm not pointing it toward the player's camera. Here. All right, that's fine. We'll try to figure out how to do it on our own. Local player, get local player. Angle axis. Let's try that out. Okay. So far so good. Oh yeah. All right. Cool. Problem solved. That looks okay. I wonder if we can make it a more, make it more round. Let's make it smaller also. See how that looks. So we're going to make the circle half as small and a little bit more round. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, so let's mark out the feet also. use this one or this one? Yeah, let's do the ankle. Ankle, ankle, and heart. Okay, so the heart is right there. Shoulders are called shoulders. Okay. Yeah, so maybe we can, something we can do is make the shoulder, the heart joint kind of like beat like a heart. What would be nice is if the if the heartbeat could like speed of it could change depending on how spooked out the person is. That could be really cute. All right, there's a little person. Let's see how it looks when they're moving around. Hey. That's cool. I like that. I think we should maybe move the... We should not use the ankle though, because it looks kind of weird that the circle is floating above. Let's do a head bone also. It's just called head. Okay. Let's see what it looks like without the heart. Yeah, no, it feels weird without the heart joint. I was also thinking we could like draw a line between the joints. Yeah, it might look kind of weird actually. Okay. Yeah, so let's make a variation. Called type. Type 0. And this will be 1. Okay, so if you have a different marker type, then we draw you a little bit differently. How do I want to do this? Okay, yeah, let's make the heart like pulsate. That'd be kind of cute. If marker type equals 1. Okay. 3 plus what is the code to make things pulsate in size? It's in here somewhere. I don't quite remember what. These are all results that I don't want. Pulsate. Cosine. Just want a cosine function. Okay, there it is. Id math cosine. Well, let's see if this works. Anton asked, will the heart be a heart-shaped vector? That would be cute, but I think... Yeah, that's something I was thinking about, but I'm not sure how to do that. Okay, that's a little bit fast. That's fine. Slow it down. Am I doing this wrong? Okay, local time times 0.1. Oh, let's try that. Okay. Well, at least we know this number is working, so that's great. Let's do that. Let's see how that looks. Hey, that's not looking too bad. Oh, maybe the heartbeat could be like linked to their health. So maybe like a heartbeat that's going really slow means they have a lot of health. And if it's going really, really fast, that means that they're about to die soon. That could be kind of cute. Let's do that. I kind of like that. That's pretty fun. Little blobbo man. That's pretty cool. Oh, I guess I should track if they're alive or dead. Hmm. Let's see. Killed health. Alright, let's just check the health of the thing. Marker at joint. We can do it here actually. If event less than 0, then get out of here. I wonder how it would look if it was just four-sided. Four sides. Yeah, I kind of like that. So if you lean with your ear against a wall, you can hear sound effects in the world. Or, sorry, visualize sound effects in the world. Alright. That's cool. Eric's comic suggests, oh, maybe a muffled, distorted heartbeat sound effect when the player is looking at them. Yeah, that could be kind of fun. Add that to my notes. Something I want to try out. Oh, let me first check it in. So, got some pretty good progress here. Great. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I wanted to try out drawing an arrow that points, that originates from the device and points toward that guy. So let's try that. So idvec 3 direction to target equals entity get physics get origin minus this get physics get origin. And then we normalize that. Then we draw an arrow. Let's see, underworld. Gotta find a shortcut to this thing. Hit vex start. Okay, so we want to do this. We want to offset you by a little bit. Endpoint is the same call, but longer. Size of the arrow, I don't know, like that, and like that. All right, let's try that out. Soam3 asked, what IDE is this? If you're asking about this, this is Visual Studio Express 2015, I think. It's fine, it works. I think the only thing I don't like is the search functionality. If you do Control F, it does like an automatic jump to that point search. So while you're typing out, it'll dynamically search for your thing. And I really don't like that because it messes up the location of where my cursor was and where my screen was. So if it ends up that I don't want to jump there, I gotta like manually search for where I was before, which is kind of time consuming. Anyone knows how to turn that thing off, please let me know. That would be awesome. Well, all right, let's try that again. Did not work. Hey. Okay, all right. It's kind of cute. Oh. It's drawing markers on myself also. That's... I wasn't expecting that. I kind of like it. It's a little bit confusing because now it shows two arrows and it makes me think there's two bad guys. I'm a little bit concerned about it giving like garbage information when you're looking through a wall like this, because it makes me think that there's like a person right there. I could change a different color, I guess. I don't really know if it's necessary to draw the arrows. I don't know how useful information that is. Yeah, let's just not do it for now. And we could add that back in later if it's useful for whatever reason. I think the thought was that it'll be useful because when you plop it down, you would like have a snapshot. You'd see the arrows and you have a snapshot of like, oh, there are 4 bad guys near me. But I don't know, maybe you don't really need that. I want to do one thing, because I really want to draw. I want this thing to get the location of cats also. Kitty cat. Okay. So let's open up the kitty cat. Cat is in the monster folder because it is a creature. Okay, foot front L, foot front R, foot rear L, foot rear R. Foot front L. Okay, let's see if this works. Oops. Little kitty cat. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. Head, body. That's the bone is not really at where you want the heart to be. But let's just try it out. See if it works. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of made this device primarily just so I could see a cat heartbeat. Oh my god. Oh, that worked out better than I thought it would. Wait, why is it up there? Oh. Made it upside down for some reason. What bone is this? Oh. Butt bone. I forgot I did the stretchy animation for this thing. Yeah. No, I think it looks fine. Oh my god, let's see what happens when it jumps around. Oh my god, I can see this cat jump through walls. God, it's gonna look so good when the bad guy is like trying to shoot at the cat, and then you see this like cat blob through a wall just ricocheting around the room. I might need to turn off the player one because looks kind of weird that you're. So the 3D, the world model, character model, their hands are kind of aiming up and down right now. But it's not the same location as your view model. That's kind of strange. I could turn that off. Anyways, cat heartbeat. I feel good about that. Cool. I think I'm gonna call it a day for now. Yeah, thanks for joining me. This is a lot of fun. I'm glad we made good progress on this sonar thingamajig, and it turned out pretty good. Yeah. Cool. I will see you all next time. All right, bye for now. Have a good weekend.